Hi guys, my name is Shreyas. In this video I'll be talking about an amazing person I met, Mr. Narendra Jindal ji, and we'll be getting to know more about this amazing person as we go later on in the video. Before that, I would like to share with everyone how I got a chance to meet this amazing person, right? And so I was traveling to Haridwar, okay, and sir was on his way back to his hometown, okay. So we start having a conversation, and in the conversation I realized that I have met such an amazing person. Okay, let me tell you something about this person. Okay, so sir has served in the bank. Okay, sir is 60 plus years old. Okay, after that he wanted to do something for the environment. Okay, so he started watching YouTube videos. Sir gained a huge amount of knowledge from his YouTube videos, and I'll just tell you what are the amazing things which sir has done at his home. He has an air conditioning system which he has built completely on his home. Okay, and you will see all of these amazing things in the video which is coming next. Okay, all of these amazing things sir has done just by watching YouTube videos. I mean, when you think about it, just visualize this thing. Okay, someone who was born at the time when there was nothing, all this YouTube and all this internet, but now when he wanted to do something, he uses YouTube, okay, and then learns so much, and he has a biogas plant at his home. Okay, he built the biogas plant all by himself. He built the air conditioning unit at his home, which is a centralized air conditioning unit, all by himself. He built a mini windmill all by himself. He saves up about 100 or 200 liters of water every single month, and he did that all by himself. You might think that all of this might have costed him a huge amount of money. All of this comes well under 30,000 rupees, and that's not even the best part. When I was having a conversation with him, he told me that a lot of people have already seen him speaking on the news, and he is doing projects in 7 states in India. And guess what? He's not charging even a single penny. I'll tell it again. He is not charging even a single penny for all the wisdom which he has. All of these big projects which he's supervising, he's doing out of service. I mean, come on, I feel like clapping right now. Can you imagine? He's doing all this out of service. He learnt it. He did it for himself. He gets an uninterrupted supply of over 2 hours, okay, of gas at his home. He generates biogas at his home, and for 2 hours people can cook on that. Okay, all of this is in the videos, and everything is explained awesome. 2 news channels have covered his entire home in an amazing way. Okay, so in this video what we'll be doing is we'll be taking one of those news clips. Okay, sir expressed a desire actually to make sure that his work is available for a larger audience. Okay, he wanted many people to replicate this because he understood the simplicity of this, and he also understood how effective it is, right? Once you see the video, I'm really damn sure you would want to do the same thing at your home, because I have already started working on a mini biogas plant at my home. And guess what? Sir provides free advice, absolutely free advice to anyone who wants it. Okay, so in the description below, right below, okay, sir has shared his phone number, his WhatsApp number, his email ID. Okay, so if you want if you would like to do a very big project, or if you would like to just set up a small biogas plant like me at home, right, all you have to do is call him, WhatsApp him, and sir will definitely reply. I'm sure this has gone really long because I wanted to share everything. So next up is a small clip. I'm just going to mute the audio because it's in Hindi. okay, and the entire whatever conversation is happening, I'll be explaining that in English, okay. And I'm really thankful to sir for giving me this opportunity to do this, okay. So let's jump into the video. Cheers. Let's take a look at Narendra Jindal sir's home, where the organic waste generator is not thrown away, it is utilized. Not only this, two homes from the neighborhood bring their organic waste to this home to generate more energy. Not believing? Let's take a look at this report to find out. To keep the garden nice and green, a regular supply of water is needed. Not only this, the manure used for the nutrition of the plant is also not purchased from outside. Everything is managed by Narendra Jindal sir. He first set up a biogas plant. From this, he was able to generate gas for his household cooking, and the remaining byproducts he started using that as manure is of 1 cubic meter. Whatever the waste is generated, the fruits, the vegetables, excluding the seeds, we put all of that into this biogas plant. Once we put about 1.5 kg of organic waste into the biogas plant, we get about 1 hour supply of biogas. Yes, the cooking has become very easy for us. We save about 2 cylinders of domestic gas which we purchase. Narendra Jindal's efforts are reaching the sky. Most of the water which was coming out of the house was getting wasted. This made Narendra Jindal a bit uncomfortable. He wanted to do something about it. He started working and understanding what he can do to make sure that he can reuse some of the water. The water which is used in the kitchen or the water which is used in for washing clothes is collected and filtered here. Once it is filtered, this water is reused in the bathrooms. Mr. Narendra Jindal made sure that this is not where he stops. He went a step further, and whatever the waste was that he was not able to convert, he started using that into manure and started using it in his own terrace gardens. I am using the unusable waste and converting that into manure, because most of the time there are certain kind of waste which cannot be removed or filtered. So for this kind of waste, we just make sure that we use it for manure, like the seeds of mangoes. Not only this, we use empty beer cans as well in the construction. Now this adds a very unique feature and is at the same time a very efficient design for the building, as it makes sure that the lighting inside wherever the beer cans are used is very ambient and soothing and nice. Beer bottles were used so that we can give a message to the people around that even the generally assumed glass bottles which are thrown away, these bottles can be used and they can be so beautiful and unique. Now in the mornings when we go, sir has made his very own cooling system, which also uses a dynamo that he had removed from a four-wheeler car. We feel very happy and proud of Jindal sir. The first time we brought our waste, we were able to see it being converted to gas. We also drank tea, which was from this gas, which was generated from the waste we had given to Sir. We were very delighted. We wish to have the same system installed in our own house in the future. Our society is very proud of Jindal Sir. He is able to clean the society and at the same time generate money out of which is such important and unique feature. It is really commendable to see how one person, Mr. Narendra Jindal Sir, has designed so many useful machines which help to deal with garbage, and at the same time it is recycling efficiently and generating gas, electricity, manure and cooling which is required in the day-to-day functioning of the house. He is doing his maximum to protect Mother Earth from the harmful effects of carbon pollution. A big salute to such an amazing hero, Mr. Narendra Jindal Sir. Thank you. Jai Hind.